Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a cool, clean, and fast YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. So first just open ChatGPT and then just tap on this plus icon and then just tap on create image. And then after that just type your prompt to describing the thumbnail designs that you want. For example, I already made my prompt like this. I want to make a thumbnail about the Windows clipboard history, and I will make a text thumbnail like this. Like this. And then next just describe your ratio, or you can also adjust it from here at the ratio adjustment. Like this. Make it just set the ratio to landscape, and then after that just submit the prompt and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see it. Just look at these results. Okay, I think it actually looks really impressive. It has neat designs like this. It's incredible, and even small details like logos can be surprisingly accurate. And then for the text, I think it looks much cleaner with the fewer typo. Even it has a typo like this, it's so clear. And I think overall the results looks really cool like this. And I think it's so useful if you want something fast without spending too much time editing manually. You can just try this create image feature at the ChatGPT. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.